Hi everyone, let's do lesson 14 today. Lesson 14, have, has. Look and learn. Let's look at this chart. Have and has. When do we use have? And when do we use has? Let's find out. Have. We use have after I, we, you, and they. Okay? Now, look at has. She, he, it has a cookie. We use has together with she, he, it. So, I have a cookie. She has a cookie. I have a cookie. She has a cookie. Now, let's look at this. The ants have a cookie. The ants. Can you see S here? Ants. That means more than one ant. Maybe two, maybe three, maybe more. After ants, we use have. The ants have a cookie. Then how about this? The ant has a cookie. Ant. There's no S. That means one ant. After ant, one ant, we use has. The ant has a cookie. The ants have a cookie. The ant has a cookie. Okay, very good. Now let's look at the picture. Wow, what do you see here? Do you see the children? Yes. Boys? Yes. Girls? Yes. Where are they? They are at the park. What are they doing? They are having a picnic. Look at all the food. Wow, sandwiches, hot dogs, melons, and bananas. Where's the dog? Here's the dog. What does the dog have? Apples. The dog has apples. What else do you see? Ants? Yes. How many ants? 1, 2, 3. 3 ants? The ants have a cookie. The ants have a chocolate chip cookie. Yum, my favorite. Now let's look at the sentences. These two girls say, we have hot dogs. We have. Remember? We have hot dogs. This girl says, I have sandwiches. I have sandwiches. Great. Now look at number 1. Let's read it together. He has bananas. Remember? He has. Let's play a game. I have, she has game. Can you say hi to Chip? All right. I have my bag here. What do you think I have in my bag? Can you guess? Let's find out. Ooh, I have an orange. And let's see what else I have. Can you guess again? What do I have? Ooh, my favorite, chocolate chip cookie. So I have an orange and I have a chocolate chip cookie. All right, now let's go ahead and look in Chip's bag. Let's see what she has. Ooh, look. Chip has a banana. Let's see what else she has. Can you guess? Wow! Chip also has a chocolate chip cookie. We're the same. So, Chip has a banana and Chip has a chocolate chip cookie. Let's do a quick review. Remember, have and has. When do you use have? After I, we, you, they, the ants. And when do you use has? Together with she, he, it, the ant. Okay, very good. Now, let's move on to the next page. Look and match. Number 1. What's this? It's a bird. So, which one? They have. It has, he has, she has, it has. It's a bird. So, it has. Then you can draw a line. Now, look at these. It has big wings, long ears, brown hair, black hair. Which one? Yes, it has big wings. Now, let's draw a line and match. Now, let's try number 2. Now, circle and check yes or no. Read and circle have or has, and then read and check yes or no. Okay? Number 1, the ant have or has 6 legs. The ant, is there an S? No. So there is only one ant. For one ant, we use has. The ant has 6 legs. So you circle has. Okay, good. Now, let's think about the meaning. The ant has 6 legs. Yes or no? Look at this picture here. How many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legs. The ant has 6 legs. Yes. So, check yes. Now, let's look at number 2. Elephants. Can you see S here? Yes, elephants. So that's more than 1, maybe 2, maybe 3 or more. Then have or has. Have, yes. Circle have. Elephants have small ears. Elephants have small ears, yes or no? No, elephants have big ears. So check no. Okay, very good. Now let's do number 3. Look and write. Wow, look at this. What's the weather like? It's snowing. The children are having fun in the snow. They all look very excited. Do you see the snowman? Yes? What does the snowman have? A hat and a scarf? On a snowy day, I always have my mittens. Wool hat, scarf, and umbrella. How about you? Okay, let's do number 1 together. Look at the picture first. What's this? It's a sled. The children have a sled. And what's this? It's a dog. What color is the dog? It's white. They have a white dog. Now, look at the sentence. The children have a sled. 1, 2. 2 children. So, write have in the blank. Good. What do you write here? They have. Yes, write they have in the blank. They have a white dog. Excellent. Now look at picture number 2. What does the girl have in her hands? Mittens. And what does she have on her head? She has a hat. Right. The girl says, I. So let's make a sentence using I. Look at number 2 sentence. I have or I has. Have, yes. I have. So write have in the blank. I have yellow mittens. Okay? Now there are 2 blanks. Blank, blank, a wool hat. Remember this picture? I have a wool hat. Excellent. Okay, now it's my turn. So on a snowy day, I'll put a nice big scarf on. I'll put a hat on so I can keep my head and ears warm. Ooh, and I'm gonna wear some pink gloves. I love pink. All right, I'm nice and warm. Now link and review. Here, we are linking the things that we've learned before with the new things that we learned today. We link and review together. Look and write number 1. What do you see? Do you see the finger pointing to the stars? Okay, let's imagine. We are looking at the stars in the sky. Wow, look at the stars. Let's point to the stars. What are those? Those are stars. Okay, now look at the book. Number 1, what do you write in the blank? Those. Yes, those are stars. Write those in the blank. Great. Now let's read number 2. It isn't our horse. It is blank horse. What can you write here? It isn't our horse. It is my horse, his horse, your horse. What's the correct one? You're not sure? You don't remember? It's okay. We can do some review. Look at this chart. Number 2 is from lesson 9. We can go back to lesson 9 and do some review. And then we can come back here, okay? Okay, let's do the activity sheet. Roll and write have or has. Look at this. 1, 3, 5, have. If you get 1, 3, 5, you write have. 2, 4, 6, has. If you get 2, 4, 6, you write has. Okay? Let's read number 1. I blank a square watch. Have or has? Have? Yes. But can I write have? Let's find out. We need to roll the dice. I got 3. 3 is have. Right. I can write have. Now I'll give you some homework. Please open your workbook to page 43. This is your homework for today. Look at the picture and circle, okay? So that's all for today. Don't forget your homework, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.